This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by pj.parker. Welcome to 14 Granite Drive. This home is over 2,300 square feet of awesomeness. Conveniently located minutes from Briarfield Park, this home features 4 bedrooms, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops in the kitchen, upstairs laundry room, porch, deck, fenced-in backyard, 2-car garage, expanded driveway, separate dining room, and so much more. Schedule your private tour today. For more information, review the details below.